Okay, so here we have another question. This question based on mixtures, the topic mixture, which is part of arithmetic. So here we will use adulteration concept. Okay, it will not be direct formula, but it's a concept which we have discussed in the concept lecture. So let's look at the question. If you want, you can pause the video and try attempting the question by yourself, or we can do it together. So question is, here the question is a container hold what 200 liters of solution, that is acid to water, and having 30% acid by volume. Okay. Atul replaced 20% of the solution with water. So what is being adulterated? समझो ध्यान से. Atul replaced 20% of this solution with water. So acid is being adulterated. Acid is reducing. Okay. So the component of the mixture which is being adulterated, we focus on that for that particular operation. Okay, you have to be very clear on this, because in the next sentence, what is being adulterated, think about it. Then replace 10% of the resultant solution with acid. So if acid is being added, then water is getting adulterated. Understood? So let's see how are we going to deal with this. So I hope you can read the remaining question. So here we need to find out this the percentage of acid by the volume in the final solution. Percentage of acid in the final solution. अब सोचो इसको ध्यान से. We need to find out the percentage. Then do we really care whether we are starting with 200 liters or 100 liters? Does it matter? Everything is in percentage, so we can rather take 100. So we get answer directly in percentage, so there is no confusion. Are you okay with this? Are you with me here? Let's do it then. If I assume that solution to be 100 liters, in that case, here, and it will always remain 100 liters, because even if it is being adulterated, 20% of the solution with water. So 20% will remove and 20% will be added. 20% of 100 is 20. So basically 20 liters is removed and 20 liters is added. So total आपका फिर भी कितना रहना है? 100 liters ही रहना है. इसको ध्यान रखना. So initially we can say that the acid to water, प्रॉपर लिखता है यहाँ पे, acid to water. Now acid is what? Initially it is 30%. So this is 30. This is how much? 70. And total, as I said, total will be 100. Okay. Now if acid is being adulterated, ध्यान से समझना, is if acid is being adulterated, if you understand this step, you will be very confident about you will be very confident with the adulteration condition. So acid is being adulterated. So acid का fraction लिखो. Write the fraction of acid with total. Okay, this is given. Now when it get adulterated by 20%, so बचेगा कितना? 80%. Okay, so उस fraction से multiply करो. Okay, the adulterated after adulteration fraction से multiply करो original fraction को. Now this will be the remaining acid quantity out of the total. Okay, so if you simplify this, basically इसको simplify कर सकते हो. मैं थोड़ा और trick उसमें use करता हूँ. I know that it is 20%, so 20% is going to be off. So if I simply remove 20% from here, I can get 20% of 30, which is how much? 6. देखो ये मेथड एक्चुअल है. अब मैं जो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ वो उसका शॉर्टकट है. द वन विच आई एम यूजिंग नाउ इज अ शॉर्टकट. सो आई सिंपली टेक 20% ऑफ 30, विच इज़ व्हाट? 6. उसको मैं कम कर दूंगा बिकॉज इट इज़ बीइंग रिमूव्ड. ओके, तो ये बचेगा आपका 24, एंड पार्ट ऑफ दैट इज गोइंग टू बी एडेड बैक इन फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? इन फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? वाटर. सो वाटर में से कुछ रिमूव नहीं करके जैसा था वैसा उसमें से जो एसिड का पार्ट रिमूव हुआ है, इज बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड विथ वाटर. सो नाउ वाटर portion become what? 76, with respect to acid portion being 24. Okay, so this is with when you have 20% adulteration. Now next step you do what? You are doing what? 10% adulteration solution, and you are going to add back as acid. So water is being diluted. Water is being diluted. सो डाइल्यूट कौन हो रहा है? वाटर. तो अब वाटर का जो 76 था उसका हम लोग निकालेंगे कितना? 10%. So what is 10% of 76? That is 7.6. 7.6 if you remove from here, what you get is 68.4. ये 76 है, इसका 10%. Are you understanding this? This is a shortcut I'm using because 10% is removed from the overall solution. So आप बोलोगे सर एसिड भी तो रिमूव होगा, बिल्कुल होगा, बट देन एसिड इज बीइंग एडेड आल्सो अगेन, तो उसको 24 का 24 होगा प्लस द क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर विच इज रिमूव्ड, उतना एडिशनल एसिड और मिक्स हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज एज पर द क्वेश्चन. 10% ऑफ resultant solution is replaced with acid here. Okay, I hope you understood this. Yeah, let me clean it up. Okay, so it means now this is 24 plus 7.6 will be 31.6. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 31.6. ये कब हुआ? 10% करने के बाद. नेक्स्ट क्या किया? नेक्स्ट इज अगेन फाइनली रिप्लेस 15% ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन एंड the soften with water. So you are adulterating, you are diluting acid and adding water. So आप शॉर्टकट के लिए क्या करो, सिर्फ एसिड को ही 10% 15% कम करो, 15% कम करो सिर्फ एसिड को ही. सो इफ यू टेक 15% ऑफ दिस, रिमूव 15% of this, it will be, if you remove 15% of this, then after removing whatever is remaining will be your acid, right? और हमें फाइंड भी क्या करना है? एसिड परसेंटेज ही फाइंड करना है. तो मैं यहाँ पे और एक फाइनल स्टेप को थोड़ा सा क्रिस्प करता हूँ. इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग वेरी लेंदी, आई विल जस्ट से ओके 31.6 का में से 15% माइनस करना है. So then what you will have is the remaining acid percentage, acid portion. So if I remove using the concept of percentage, I will simply say if I remove 15%, I will have 85% left, right? Okay. Now why am I not removing 15% from here, adding it to water? Because we are already at the last stage. हमें ज़रूरत नहीं यहाँ पे, यहीं पे आपका आंसर आने वाला है. So we don't have to simply do this hard work, right? We can stick to smart work. We can stick to smart work here. So if you multiply this, if you simplify this, what you are going to get here is 26.86 ऐसा आपको आएगा. Yeah, ये acid इतना आएगा. Now this is your acid quantity and as I said, it's being replaced. So total आपका change नहीं होने वाला है. Total is not going to change. It will remain 100 ml. So in 100 ml, in 100 ml, if the acid is 26.86, तो बोलो परसेंटेज कितना हो जाएगा? 26.86% ही होगा ना, इतना परसेंटेज ही होगा. एंड क्वेश्चन सेड फाइंड द नियरेस्ट वन. सो नियरेस्ट कौन है? 26.86 का नियरेस्ट इज व्हाट? 27. सो दिस इज द आंसर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. मुझे पता है थोड़ा बट ये इफ यू हैव डन बेसिक्स विथ मी देन इट विल नॉट बी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टू यू, आई एम श्योर. ओके, बट आई एम श्योर most of you have got this solution. So let's see the next question.